Happy Saturday morning, everybody. I have my kids up earlier than they want to be, loaded and ready to go, and we are off on our way to Rush Bros to pick up yet another truck. I am so excited because I have my helpers ready to go. They're feeling tough today to help me load up and unload another Scout. So he's not feeling tough because he's tired, but I'm gonna get some hot chocolate in him and he'll feel good. But I can't wait to share all with you guys, so follow along on our day. Whoa. Who's excited for Princess Auto? I only need 2 things while I'm here. I do not need this. Okay, Lila, let's go. I need to get ratchet straps so I can tie this Scout down. And I need to get a 2 15/16 ball hitch. That is it. I have to close my eyes, put my blinders on. There's so many good sales. And what? 2 things. 2 things. 2 things. 2 things. Okay, Lila, I need you to find me a 2 5/16 ball. Ha! Straps. See if we can find some on sale. I saw them online. They were on sale. Okay. But it needs to be 2 or 3 inch drop. Drop. I guess I could just get the ball. 2 5/16. Oh, look it. They're on sale for $14.99. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Those are them. Okay, but only the things that I needed. The ratchet straps, got my hitch, and I'm gonna close my eyes as I walk through the rest of the store. We have made it to Rush Bros. My kids have awakened with hot chocolate and some good tunes all the way here. We are, yeah, and donuts. And Tim Hortons. Donuts. And me for a little bit of Timmy's coffee. Everything's good to go. We are just waiting for everybody to come out so we can get this Scout. They're doing some other stuff around here, so we're waiting for them to finish so we can get our other truck and get out of here.
My dog says hi.
Merle says hello.
From Squirrel.
Merle the squirrel. The best co-pilot.
The squirrel.
The squirrel. Merle, you're a good boy.
No. We're at Rush Bros.
Thankfully, Mike lent me a pair of his gum boots. They fit me so well.
Her boots are inside those boots.